Hi, Miss.
Hi. Hi, good evening, everyone. So today we have a presentation of Aboulkasem Chabbi School. It will be about the impact of water scarcity on the Amazon forest. Hopefully, Yasmin and Rana will host this session. Rana is still having some technical issues. I hope she can manage to do it. Otherwise, Yasmin will proceed with the presentation. Yes, Yasmin, you can check if you have the shared option.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. This is my presentation about impact of water scarcity on Amazon forests. Firstly, we'll talk about the role of forests. In the second part, we'll talk about the impact on species of the forest. Finally, we'll talk about other issues. Let's start with the role of forests. The Amazon forests help preserve moisture inside trees. This means this water hidden will help later in the formation of rain clouds. All countries benefit from this rain driven away by wind to reach all continents. However, with the decline of forests, this rain will consequently decrease, leading to more dry areas, drought, famine, and much more. This is a picture that shows an Amazon forest with the formation of clouds. Now you'll watch a video that shows how do rainforests make clouds.
Yasmin, we can't hear the video. Can you check you should share the audio of your device, of your smartphone, if you are, yeah. Check the audio. Stop the video and check your audio so that we could hear the video.
Okay, Miss.
Are you putting headphones? حاطة des écouteurs?
Miss.
Okay, take your time.
Wait.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
It's okay.
It's okay, thank you.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Greg.
And today we've come to the Eden Project, home to the world's largest indoor rainforest.
We have climbed all the way up here above the rainforest canopy.
We are so high up.
Yeah, we are, which is a good place to start because we want to answer the question,
how does a rainforest make a cloud? But to find out, we need to work out what a rainforest actually is.
well, it's a forest where there's lots of rain. Actually, a rainforest has to have a few specific features. It's got to be hot, over 18 degrees throughout the year. It's got to be in a particular place in the world between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, and it's got to be wet, which makes sense because clouds are made of water. But it does give us the question, how does a tree turn water into a cloud?
It starts here at the roots. The ground of a rainforest is like a giant sponge, soaking up all of that water after a rainstorm, and plants and trees suck up some of that water. Their roots pull it in from the damp soil around them, and then the water gets sucked up the plant through tiny little tubes called xylem. It's a little bit like drinking through a straw. The xylem delivers the water all the way to the top of the tree, to the very tips.
That's important. See, there's loads of liquid water in the leaf and on the leaf, and the sun is really hot, and it causes that water to evaporate. Now, you will have seen this before. If mum or dad are boiling a pan of water to put pasta in, some of that water turns into steam. We call that steam water vapour. Now, the hot sun turns the liquid water on the leaf into water vapour, and it floats off into the air. But as that water leaves the leaf, it pulls more water up the tree.
And because there are so many plants and trees in the rainforest, there is loads of water vapour up there.
This is a really wobbly bridge. There is in fact more water vapour above the Amazon rainforest than there is in the Amazon River itself.
And it's all this water that makes a cloud. As the water vapour rises into the atmosphere, it cools down and it turns from a gas into a liquid. We say that it condenses. Just like when you breathe on a window, the water vapour in your breath hits the cool window and it turns from a gas into a liquid. And that's all a cloud is. Millions, billions, if not trillions of tiny water droplets all hanging out together in the sky.
The final question then is, how does all that water get from a cloud back down to the ground? Well, a cloud doesn't just stay above a rainforest. Up here, high above the canopy, there's lots of wind, and that wind blows the clouds around the world. And inside a cloud, all of those little droplets are bumping into each other and they're growing. And eventually they get big and heavy enough to fall out of the cloud. And that is what we call rain.
Clouds are pretty awesome. Not only do they carry water around our planet, but those white fluffy surfaces also reflect sunlight, which stops the Earth getting too hot. Now, clouds will form anywhere that water vapour has risen into the sky, but you've got to hand it to the rainforests. They're pretty brilliant cloud makers.
Rainforests are incredible places. They also produce loads of the gas that we need to breathe in to live, oxygen, and they are home to over half of the plants and animals in the whole world. We have a lot to thank them for, and we have had such a good day here at the Eden Project.
Yeah, it has been absolutely amazing. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with your friends and subscribe for more just like this. Stay curious, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Now we'll move to impact on water supply. The Amazon influences global rain patterns and is itself a major source of water. The push and pull of the water cycle through the 2.125 million square mile forests, Nat Geo reports, which eventually feeds rivers and lakes around the world. The Amazon is also a major carbon sink, and its ongoing absorption of greenhouse gas emissions help reduce global warming and climate change. As temperatures rise, precipitation patterns change direction. Some countries receive more rainfall, while others get less. This is already playing out in the world as many countries face increasingly dry conditions, which threatens agricultural systems and leads to water shortages. The world is already facing a severe water crisis. More than 30% of the global population is unable to access clean drinking water, and the UN estimates that more than 5 billion people could be affected by water shortages by 2050. Impact on species of the forest. Reduced access to clean water sources not only impacts human welfare, but also its claiming wildlife species, fragile ecosystems, and the communities that depend on them. Water-dependent mammals like the elephant and rhino already declaimed by poaching and content with change of their habitats. In eastern parts, rainfall is projected to increase, but a significant decrease is expected in the south. Across the forests rapidly industrializing landscapes, the risk of flash floods and harsh drought is high. Smaller species struggle to adapt to the drastic reduction in rainfall and drying up of water holes. Larger mammals like elephants are often forced to dig in dry stream beds. While they may strike low water tables, the wool creates a trap for buffaloes and antelopes, making them an easy target for lions and leopards in the hunt. Other issues. Alongside deforestation, the Amazon is facing an invisible but increasing threat from mercury pollution, according to a new WWF report. According to the report, mercury, classified as one of the top 10 chemicals of major public WHO, is estimated to have negatively affected the health of over 1.5 million people in the region already. Animal contamination, while threatening the health of livelihoods of millions more through air, water pollution, and plant-animal contamination, the Amazon is estimated to have the richest biodiversity in the world. However, mercury pollution is threatening its wildlife, putting iconic predators such as jaguars and rivers, dolphins, as well as fish that are critical to the food security of indigenous, rural, and urban communities at risk. The main source of mercury pollution is the Amazon is artisanal and small-scale gold mining, which accounts for 12% of the gold extracted from the region. Mercury is used in the gold purification process, contributing around 71% of all mercury emissions each year.
Do you have a heart of gold? Gold jewelry makes a statement of style and love. It's also destroying the Amazon. Illicit and unregulated gold mining is poisoning the Amazon with toxic mercury and deforesting irreplaceable ecosystems every day. Want to demonstrate your love? Tell the jewelry industry to clean up its act. Go to amazonaid.org/clean gold to find out more about clean gold and actions you can take for the sake of everyone's future.
Thank you, Yasmin. I think that's it for the presentation.
Okay, Miss.
Thank you very much for your hard work. Yes, thank you. I will share my screen to finish with a small Kahoot for our students. Okay. So as usual, you will go to kahoot.it. I repeat, kahoot.it. And I will give kahoot.it. I will write it in the chat box. So, and we'll wait for the code. I will send the code. Do you see my screen, Ilkay? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Loading.
Good. So the code www.kahoot.it. I repeat, www. I will write it again if you want. Sorry. www. Okay. Kahoot.it. And the code is 7 4 2 4 1 5. I repeat, the code is 742415. So if you're ready, we'll start, okay? So I repeat, the code is 742415. You log into www.kahoot.it and the code is 742715. Let me know when you are ready so that you can start, okay? Okay. More players, go ahead, www.kahoot.it. Hi, Leila, good evening. We are playing the Kahoot now. Your students can log into www.kahoot.it and this is the code 742415. Yes. Let's start if you want, because we still have only 8 minutes before the Zoom logs off. Okay. Shall I start? Yes, Ilkay? I have 6 players.
Wait.
Okay.
Can you wait a minute, please, Raja? Gençler lütfen girer misiniz? Şu anda sadece 7 kişi ama burada 20 kişiyiz. Hadi bekliyoruz. Bizden sadece Helin ve Göknil girdi. Göknil de çıkmış şu anda. Haydi Selim, Berk. Hepinizin girmesini istiyorum. Okay, sorry.
No, it's okay, no problem. I want them to enjoy the game, that's it. It will be very simple, it will be fun. Yes.
Gençler ayıp oluyor.
Good.
Emek var. Lütfen girin. Hadi. Biraz daha. Bir oyun ya. It's only a game.
It doesn't matter to win or to lose, just to have fun,
Yeah.
that's it. Yes.
You can use a nickname,
Yes, of
not
course.
real name. Not
Or
real
even a
name.
number, yes, or alphabet or number or whatever.
Yeah, yeah. I write first moon. For example.
Yeah. Okay, let's start
Okay.
if you want. We still have 6 minutes. I'm afraid that the Zoom will log off.
Okay, Raja.
So
Go.
let's go.
Mhm.
Don't forget to take screenshots,
Okay.
please. So question number 1. The decline of forests leads to what when I talk about the deforestation? Dry area, drought, famine, or green plants, crops, heavy rain? The picture could help you already. So what do you choose? Dry area, drought, famine, or green plants, crops, heavy rains? The decline of forests, cutting forests today. Very good, of course, dry areas, drought and famine. Well done, good. Okay, next question. Sam is on the podium, good. Okay. Amazon forests help preserve moisture inside trees. True or false? Sorry, it's French. The first one, true, the blue color. False, the red color. So it helps us to keep the moisture inside the trees. Is it true or false? What do you think? True or false? Of course, it's true. Well done. Yes, great. Okay, next question. The Amazon forests help reduce what? War, famine, or global warming and climate change? Amazon forests help reduce what? War, famine, or global warming and climate change? What do you choose? The importance of forests today. Why? It helps reduce what? Absolutely, global warming. Very good. Yes. Next question. Well done, Erdem. Good. If I am pronouncing the word correctly. Anna, also.
Correct.
Erdem.
Erdem.
Okay. So next question. Dry conditions are good for agriculture. True or false? What do you think? True or false? The importance of water for plants. Well done. Of course, it is false. Very good. Great work, Anna. Good. Okay, next question. Many animals are threatened, such as, give me these animals: elephants, rhinos, jaguars, cats, sheep, lizards, or lions, leopards, elephants. What do you choose? In the presentation, Yasmin has shown many animals. So are they elephants, rhinos, jaguars, cats, sheep, lizards, or the last option? Very good, you have 2 options here. Well done, great. Well done, Anna, great. Okay, next question. Only animals of the Amazon are at risk. Is Amazon? I don't think so. So true or false? It's only animals who are in a dangerous situation. Is it true or false? What do you think? Of course, it's false. You have many people, tribes. Well done, excellent. Okay, and the last question. Gold mining produces dangerous substance. What do we call it? Zinc, mercury, or aluminium? There is a dangerous substance when we produce gold, which is zinc, mercury, or aluminium. What do you choose? What is the dangerous substance that threatens the environment? Zinc, mercury, or aluminium? Excellent, it is aluminium, mercury, sorry, yes. Okay, so let's check the podium. Congratulations, Anna, well done in the first place. First moon in the second, and the third one, you read the name. Ilka, it is your student.
Doğa.
Okay, yes, so congratulations to all of them. And thank you for your presence today. It was
Yay,
fun indeed.
thank
I hope
you.
you enjoyed the Kahoot.
Thank you,
Okay,
Raja.
so have a good night and see you in next meeting.
Thanks for the presentation. It was very good.
Thank you for
Thank you.
presentation.
And Yasmin, your
Yasmin.
English is very good.
Thank you.
Yes, it's
And
very good.
thank you. It was so good.
Thank you. Suna, hi. Okay, so enjoy your weekend and have a good night. Thank you for your presence.
Thank
Bye.
you. Enjoy your
You too.
weekend.
Bye-bye.
Good evening.
Bye.
Have a good weekend.
Good night.
Bye.